Let's attach the handle. I'm using some clothes pegs for this. So I'm firstly going to stick the handle together to give it some strength. Fold it in half. I've actually pre-folded it. I should have said that, sorry. Here we go. Scrape it tight. Scrape off the excess and bend it into a handle shape, like so. And then we know where it's going to go, so we can actually now give it a little bit of, and I'm actually going to use the wet glue for this rather than the Pritt stick. It's a little bit stronger in this situation. So I'm just giving a little dab that I'll show you in a moment, off camera, a little dab off camera, placing where it goes. And I'm going to have this one slightly further over on the edge. There we go. And then angling this. There we go. I'm giving it a little bit of lift. So you can see a little bit of lift there. And leaving that to dry.